wazo dwa iku ojioma wenwene yi wazo gwen ya oya ke wazo buye wa kike o Chief Jude Opia Ogbekile, the Isama of Omolua Igbake. PDP. PDP. Power to our women. Power to our men. Power to the youth. Igbake Kweni. Otukama. Kibozo. Nege fun slobo akwami onu. Ndi nna ile ndi neleyin. Kono do me ye nyogere no ihe we bia la gwo nu tan. Ihe bia gwo nu esu ekani. Kan ihe re mma, okure mma. Igbake do me don ya ka e bia na be ni tan. Igbake ripu kemeko ya ime politics. The governance of Edo State, Igbake are benefiting from it. Letting go on here, honey. I let the governor hang. Ndị who let represent Igbake. Yeah, the problem. I don't want to go too much left. I just want to hit the nail. Dodoni. Ndị who eleji from Igbake let represent any. Where our problem? Now I want to shock us with one information. Ono amani nwata nne nje kakpa nwata aso ni yajam Patrick aso were abi aso wensin. Yeah, the problem is back in where? Oyo zako. Ona mani ko do me the problem. O gawe ki su wenu ele wehe project market. Either road project, school or building of market. Ona mi aso were gwawe. Osu wenu wehe go nu enwe ndi back machine. Ya machine na we bale nwe onu. Liberated. This is not the time for Igbake to be in darkness again. That is over. Two weeks ago, I saw Patrick Ijalia Ndalia disgrace. I don't know I have the video with me here. They outrightly rejected him because he's a bad leader. And he's coming here to influence negativity in the politics of Igbake. We reject it. Election lala. Election elo. When they youth leader, young is when they know from the youth. Onyero ori kese dikpe me politics o kese ikpe ngbalengbalị memlo ala no huweri ni ala mmegbu ihe mmegbu ni be before na ela bia Jenitan when any onye olije kenne kaneho ya the governor of Delta State Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Ogowa ya je ono saying Kibozo each poko komendi welewe the market at all Igbake West and Igbake East ain't not poki komewe ain't not Joe kill the problem. We've heard from them before we started this community to community campaign and not well from them and it can go slow way anywhere way atus leneku but here Ngwani, the leaders of our party atus lenende hand top. The electorate because only you cannot do it. Without the electorate, you cannot do it. Boys will come here and flush you. So don't need. Man give market. That can be Nani case be here don't be big market. No, nani case be here don't be big market. Now so you. Onya hu jinani. Don't need. Onya hu jinani. The governor of Delta State, Onye PDP go. Ogo Baseki, Igi Baye PDP. Ogawege Chukwa, Oshomo le no men hiuya. Shomo le no petukoko, ono men hiuya. That cannot simba. Ne Obaseki, Abba ele with them. For that, they deliver Obaseki. And in Chonum promise on today. I can yono empty promises. I'm not here to campaign. I'm not here to do politics with you. I am here for real. After election, Obaseki Egwini, on the next level, governor talk to governor. Yeah. Oko awele iwe ni vote. Okpo Obaseki. Obaseki nyahane Igbaki where ye vote. Where ye vote ginocho, ya Egwini. Lozon and nan la. After the Mula, after the Liji, after the Ake, after the Moti, Boto, I don't know what, the meme. School where Adama, the meme. And as who is say, Makeni when or the politics in Bondembo, I have Lagos with Paul Wine in the way say. Then where you say, why am I here with me? Yamano Sademe House, you get to me. I need to make Wagamo Busano, we had it back in me. Nagwano, I'm not here to give you empty promises. This is the time for Igbaki to come to light. And how do we do it? On the 19th of September 2020, yeah, in 2 months' time, in a month and something. In a month. Dodoni, Onyo Uleme File. Elayin is what they will PDP. And that's one who was in the PC remote. Neyo, Lady Yo, when you buy on Jelly Soweku. That there is need for them to vote for PDP. A vote for PDP is a vote for development. A vote for PDP is a vote for liberation of Igbaki. These selfish politicians, Iriakpo APC, they don't know what they are doing. Well, I don't have power. I know more Igbaki Jakajuota. We have been in this business for since 2 weeks now. In this journey. Yes, no, panel is Yomunani, the market, the lady, the Lozo Ejakaga, who hear the man or bag market. Yaka Ban Benita. Dodoni, Onya Ulerumulo. One winning, 1 week, 1 day quality. So on 19th of September, Onya Ule BNE PDP Eka. The Omeni Maki West, for instance, register 15,000 voters. And Johnny PDP were 14,005. Then now we're 450 on the APC 5. Then 95 were now void. Abi? That is election. Omezuele Dodoni. Ele just to talk. Okuko kuku hua. Beto mume kampa. El Galariono. Dodoni. PDP is the way. PDP is the way. All who vote to the PDP, Igbaki Jakarema. Igbaki Kwani. PDP. When they want to make a baby, introduce you to Nyolije. And the data set politics. But now, Mami here because we can talk to governor, he relates with us. Unlike the political appointees on who are not the audio. Ono go member ni omozo no man na nzega nchan ozo we je nko biwe today Jones ahụ anụgo wa so nari onu na ime ka ido meku efan wo meku gu ana eku eme ya shi PDP tonu we ihe ije gboku ni we egu nwele ya ohuhu na itawe ihe no higbo ya ahụ akpọ bigi no address is a makeni only Igbaki go. Igbaki to talk when I think I'm aware in the war Igbaki West Ward the bit. Igboto we bit. Ndi Igboto jo yo no le pe la ninu so le oto. Igboto ke. Igboto kwani. Igboto kwani. Onu meke ndi duwo di we ben. Ndi duwo di you not on one. PDP! It was the Kwani! It will. It will Kwani! Okarina no ma. Anu vote gu. Anu eri eri yonu nune. In Jesus' name we pray. Ndanu yi webe. Ndanu yi da afala the pious man. Okay, when you back okay, yale mwe. Anu you Kwani! And you can learn the PC. Jerry go no buy you. As is a me poko. All me people, I me go. You can't go slow way. I me go. I know. Why you go as a solo way me go to so. Can't get like on able Ya we onu vote ku eme gini ebu onu to so. Kamu na mam ni gara ku memo ke so. That is PDP for you. Omulu akwani. Me we se mo afomulu a. Jodi do mulu aye to no ho e.
Family.
Power to the people. Power to the women. Power to the youth. Ibata Kweni. Kwezwano. Ndi Idumiru. Ona Pianeta. Idumiru Kweni. Idumoti Kione. Vote. And as you can do a week, then you will do a vote. Vote a year, he can. I can't vote in China. I told you Runa Afia. I told you Runa school. I got one New Year coup. But so many can vote with one indeed to multi the man. Only calling Nani who can eat from a bag of honor. I can't vote. Don't only can't be talking about the Mekonu give a better. I hope you are so comfortable. On a quad the better than all the one for 2 million PVC. On a quad the man. And before governor Abiasa, I can pass it down one more. No, I don't want to talk about poor. They receive governor. That's why you're poor or governor. So do the night of one, no, not poor. Night of 2 hours, so they remember you here. You don't know. Pay! Lihamemo, eme burumo. Lihamemo, eme burumo. Eme burunimo. Lihamene, eme burumo. Lihamene, eme burunimo. Lihamene. Power to the people. Power to the people. Ibaki Kwen. Ibaki Kwen. Ibaki Kwezweno. Owenzi here hodone. Election agwoma. Chief Omekoku. Ekugweli heli oku odone. Atishwe ku odo yawe ku odone chai. Mane wesi baba jimato ije ogwagwa lonu hele makane onweze be ijeko kono meku esibake puhanu ehia oya ahwelo ogwa nene bo we true ama anmedo aku ana hinwe we de pogwa we true na ye na and ahwele the evidence ane onye egwu ashoku oyenti dome omune enyi we jesila agwa ndiri ulo ni ukuti la somale ohu makene obibia na ebia onwa first round ebia la gwono the coming of a new day, a new dawn. That is Obaseki visiting Ibaki on the 1st of September. Biagwele, we roll the dice, the big masquerade will come out. And you bidon the message of change. We the PDP, we change the change. Ihe mayala le bake. Mane ndi gboku, yamano onyera. Ekpari akwụkwọ olugbu. Chukwu gozie ne ọrụ tanu etu onyera ntị o. No onyera kwelo jale no etu ogun tin. Dodoni, di ledi ayin.
Dinay. Kay don lodi nyoma mi yozo hu no gbo fofo ya kay re koku jen. Ele no keri olong badari ofia. Dodoni. Onyo ule ya puha na ehio ya. For 20 years, where's Oibake? Onwe koku ndị mbụ ndị akpa ite wee sonye ali ọtụtụ egwu ekpe ebe ịgbaki ka daruzi ebe ukpe mụ dị ala to gbaki 1970 something ya ka ịgbakiri le duke ntụrụ ka eri echezi enyi ahụ ele afụfụ rime atala eriele oge nkwe dị gwazi Jesus Christ lala ịghara ziza amefu gwele ịghara kekumeni Dodoni on the leaders back in West. Onu Kwebula Neguno Ota Olije maybe Ogana Ketehen on Egun. Crowd on Ela Webin. I shot times 10 of this that day. Basekilala. Dodoni Yake de Jenny this first phase. Onu kejala kwandile dia ndi muna ndere mulo and ka judu dot akụ ogwagwolo no ke don riarun enya jelela hu ndi iwelewe ariolewe dodo onu wa ke jesla ariowe no zo pale furu le dia nyi dade no zo biane wo ehu ani hia meha no e base ku zo mane ndi gbaki no ya sun negun aria because ebe wo lo ko ware Upeya. Ijen, ya se ijen no we azun. Enya ri atogun. Dodoni. Onu no de the leaders. Okowa Sole live and direct. And another governor as a PDP governor. Manuation opo when ye de ku here na yoni. Onwe ko na ni kan na yokudade. Ihe ya go ko wadade gwale melejud ndị ka go ko go ko woku we gwa dade then ozo no ihe ha no di chono no vote ni PDP and amane go here lenti ele government oyi ya o leader here kim rele iye kanke kwa oye kwa nguno okowa will listen to you. Yo di mene umugbe no kenyi ihu asaka ese ake. Pakoku ngebukoda. Enda me kuni first round kere. Opasa kibiagolama, there will be a template. Kere no visit is on for the election. By then, only the gola di ondo muneni. And then be a kahule ka born a time story of this. One wesino wa beka ogwa. Kalada is a agent of where as a general saying. Mane ho lalane quarter, yaka hona agent. They pay a lego one and a ono quademe pa. I know seen it as a car. Machan no cordon obi. Nani buri on cono. Budome quarter on cono. Eguno le oka. Tinero. I don't know way. I legua. I know si kono don me bia. I made accreditation. I want to go airport lane. Go aboiling. Omwendi buni. Omwendi omeni buru buniwe. And I legua. I say. Aaron. Ele for hosting o. Ele work we play where the host o. Aaron de bianero. I know we got thing. PDP. Dodo ka manager. Ogbo won olegwa. We so roko 100,000. Lewewe. That be. PDP.
Ekuno furoye ketuwe mulaya katunoga eko. Ketuwe mulana watunoga Ketuwe mulana watunoga etuwe mulanoga tunoga ego eguno furuyo. Beodo